Hello, Barry. It's Larry, and welcome to it too. So we're going to talk about wildcard searching. So we're going to go to search like we normally do, and when you have spellings of names, you will find that on different documents they're spelled differently. I have one such family member is Larkin McFarlane. Okay, McFarlin, and that's the way his name was spelled on the documents that I have. But I do find some documents that have different spellings of the name. And so what I want to do is show you how to pull those up. And you can do that with wildcard searches. So here's exactly Larkin McFarlane. So what I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to take off the IN and I'm going to put an asterisk. And what that does is it's going to give me anything after the L. And you notice I get McFarlane, okay? I've still got the Lin, L-I-N, and I got land, L-A-N-D. I get all of the variations of that. Okay, so let's say that my relative would have been L-A-N-D or L-A-N-E. All right, I know it's going to be one of those two. Well, then I just come up here and put L-A-N, and then I can put a question mark, and question mark does a singular character. Okay, so you notice my results now have L-A-N-E or L-A-N-D. Now, there's another way that you can use this. Sometimes McFarlane is spelled with M-A-C, or sometimes it's M-C. So I'm now going to put the question mark in between the two and look and find out anytime somebody's done an M-A-C. And you can see here, M-A-C, McFarlane, okay? And here's an M-A-C, McFarland, because on my search, I had a question mark at the end and a question mark there, so I was able to see both of those. So this is a very handy tool. Remember, it's M-C-F-A-R-L-A-N, or L, and then asterisk gives you multiple characters, and a question mark gives you a singular character search option. So it can be anything for that singular character or anything after that. All right, hope you enjoyed the tip.